you.
Fearless forecast sa ating dalawang coach. Pwede bang may prediction?
Hindi naman ako si Madam Orin. So, player ko lang yun si Kim. Again, like Coach Leo said, our job is to win games. Our job is to win 4 games. If we have the fortune and the talent to win it, then so be it. Other than that, I don't think any coach that you ask will ever dare to make a prediction, except to say that it's going to be a hard-fought series. That's it. We're not in the habit of making predictions because, like I said, sa team namin, we're really just focusing on what is in front of us.
And this is my bold prediction, and I'm really sure with this. So the longest is 7 and the shortest is 4.
Okay, sinabi ng dalawang coaches. Next question, please.